In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power key, and once you see your boot options right here, hold power off. This in turn will bring out this window right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see now that the device is back on, it is now in safe mode, which you can see right over here. Now in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have installed yourself will not be able to start in this mode, so just keep that in mind. And once you're done with your safe mode, you can leave this by holding a power key and selecting restart here. And this will initiate a reboot of the device and bring you back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.